It's mid-spring and it's a wonderful time to be alive and to experience nature. So, of course, I'm Michael Patrick and I'm a Kripalu yoga teacher. And Kripalu yoga places a little bit more emphasis on personal growth and transformation through the practice of yoga. And I'm also a professional work life coach. So, this workshop is something that I put together that brings both of those worlds together: personal growth, knowing yourself, and having the model of nature to show us the way how to move through cycles and to be graceful as we go through all the different changes in the cycles of our lives.